In this video, we talk about thyroid hormone synthesis. So the first step in response of the thyroid gland to thyroid stimulating hormone is to produce more thyroid hormone and then in turn secrete more thyroid hormone into circulation. Okay. So the first step in thyroid hormone synthesis is going to be iodide and thyroglobin are transported into this structure right here, which is collectively called the colloid, right? It's this open area of the follicular cell. So iodine is ionized in the stomach and then is transported as iodine ions. So it's iodide, so it's lost, it's gained an electron, right? The other part of this is the thyroglobulins, right? So thyroglobulins are pretty much an immature thyroid hormone molecule, so it's a series of proteins that are primarily tyrosine. So both of these are induced, or they're released inside of the follicle colloid down here. So this is the interior. And then we have the follicular cell making up the thyroid hormone follicles. Okay. Now, the second step of this process is, well, first of all, we convert iodide into iodine. Okay. So the iodine is converted into iodine. Okay. And then we attach these iodine molecules to the thyroglobulin molecule. To the tyrosine residues. So, like I said before, the thyroglobulin is made up of a bunch of tyrosine residues. So, the presence of the amino acid tyrosine present in there. Okay. So the next step is going to be producing T3 and T4 as a result of step 3. Step 3 is going to be attaching the iodine molecule. So now it's been deionized, and so it's now had the electron taken away that was once donated to it, and so now you're getting the reverse process. Okay. So these iodine molecules, indicated here by the I0, okay, are attached to the tyrosine residuals, okay, and then now we have the iodinated thyroglobulin molecule, which is then inserted into a vesicle. Okay. This occurs by endocytosis. In this vesicle, here, we fuse it with the lysosome. Okay. The lysosome, as we know, contains enzymes, and these enzymes serve a really important function, and their function is going to be site-specific. So in the thyroid gland, we see the lysosomes contain enzymes, and so these lysosomes contain enzymes that cut or cleave the thyroglobulin molecule at various points. Okay. Now, depending on where it cuts, okay, we could get 3 iodine molecules and 4 iodine molecules. So T3 is the more active form of thyroid hormone compared to T4. But it's where we make these cuts along the thyroglobulin molecule that's going to determine if it's T3 or if it's T4, and whether it contains 3 iodine molecules versus 4. Okay. So the last step in synthesis of thyroid hormone is going to be releasing T3 and T4 into the circulation, where then we pretty much go to every cell in the body and increasing various functions, which we'll talk about more. Until next time.